Hello everyone, welcome to Gktoday. All the videos of Gktoday are absolutely free and available on Gktoday's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, please download Gktoday's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. Now this particular series is of 60 videos, and in each video we are going to discuss select 15 questions, and we shall also do 500 test questions after end of this series. Now let's start with the questions on Indian polity. The first question is, in which year was the National Human Rights Commission established? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is 1993. So the National Human Rights Commission in India is a statutory body. It was established in the year 1993 under a legislation enacted by the Parliament, Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. Now the next question is, when was the National Commission for Minorities established? So you have the following options, different years, and the correct answer is option A, that is the year 1992. So the National Commission for Minorities was set up under the National Commission for Minorities Act 1992. See, initially 5 religious communities, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists and Zoroastrians were notified as minority communities by the Union government. Moving ahead with the next question. So in which year was the Armed Forces Tribunal Act passed? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is the year 2007. So the Armed Forces Tribunal Act was passed in the year 2007 by the Parliament, and it led to the formation of Armed Forces Tribunal with power of adjudication or trial by Armed Forces Tribunal of disputes and complaints with respect to commission appointments, enrollments and condition of services in respect of persons subject to the Army Act 1950, the Navy Act 1957 and the Air Force Act 1950. So the next question is, in which year was the Inland Waterways Authority of India established? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is in the year 1986. So Inland Waterways Authority of India was created by the Government of India in the year 1986 for regulating and developing the inland waterways for shipping and navigation. Now the next question is, where is the headquarters of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is Telangana. So the headquarters of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is in Hyderabad in Telangana. It is the apex body responsible for regulating and developing the insurance industry in India. And further, it is an autonomous body and a statutory body. Moving ahead with the next question. So in which year was the Securities and Exchange Board of India established? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is in the year 1992. So Securities and Exchange Board of India is a statutory body that was established on April 12, 1992 and in accordance with the provisions of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. Moving ahead with the next question. So what is the headquarters of Telecom Dispute Settlement and Appellate Tribunal? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is New Delhi. So Telecom Dispute Settlement and Appellate Tribunal was created under the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Act 1997 and it is headquartered in New Delhi. Now the next question is, in which year was the Central Pollution Control Board CPCB was established? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is in the year 1974. So the Central Pollution Control Board was established in 1974 under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act and later entrusted with functions and responsibilities under the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Now the next question is, who appoints the chairperson and members of a State Human Rights Commission? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is governor. So the chairperson and members of State Human Rights Commission are appointed by the governor of the state on the recommendations of a committee consisting of a chief minister as its head, the speaker of the legislative assembly, the state home minister and the leader of the opposition in the legislative assembly. Moving ahead with the next question. So who appoints the members of the Central Information Commission? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is President. So the members of the Central Information Commission are appointed by the President on the recommendation of a committee consisting of the Prime Minister as chairperson and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha and a Union Cabinet Minister who is nominated by the Prime Minister. Moving ahead with the next question. So in which year was the State Information Commission created? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is in the year 2005. So the Right to Information Act, which was enacted in the year 2005, provides for the creation of both Central Information Commission and State Information Commission at the state level. The next question is, which act paved the way for the formation of state electricity regulatory commissions? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is Electricity Regulatory Commission Act 1998. So the Electricity Regulatory Commission Act of 1998 paved the way for the formation of Central Electricity Regulatory Commission and State Electricity Regulatory Commission as well. Now the next question is, who appoints the banking ombudsman? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is Reserve Bank of India. So the banking ombudsman is a senior official who is appointed by the Reserve Bank of India. It serves the purpose of redressing customer complaints against deficiency in certain banking services. Now the next question is, who appoints the chairperson and members of the National Human Rights Commission? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is President. So the chairperson and members of the National Human Rights Commission are appointed by the President on the recommendations of a 6-member committee consisting of the Prime Minister as its head. Now the next question is, in which year the Competition Commission of India became fully functional? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is the year 2009. So the Competition Commission of India acts as the regulator of competition in India. The commission was established in 2003, although it became fully functional only by the year 2009. Thank you so much. So this was all for today's video. Provide your feedback in our comment section. And stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.